Hey everyone, this video is about how to access the drain pump on your Samsung 80K5050 dishwasher. You're probably here because whenever you turn it on and start a cycle, there is a rattling noise coming from the base of the unit. And that's because a piece of material, plastic, bone, or whatever, made its way down into the main pump and it's just rattling around and can't be ejected from the unit. So this dishwasher is mercifully simple to fix. All you gotta do is pull it out from your compartment and remove this metal panel down here on the right hand side. Just holds on with 2 screws. I've already had them removed just for ease of video shooting. And then the main pump is down here underneath this cloth. So, oh my, where's my fucking light? So here she is. All right. So there's 2 pumps to the main there's 2 parts. So there's 2 parts to the pump. The part here with this the metal transformer on it, this is the motor for the pump. And if you look closely, this is sort of a darker gray plastic. And then over in here, there's a lighter gray plastic. And this is the other half of the pump. And the 2 halves click together. With no tools required, take them apart. So all I gotta do is reach in there and just assertively turn it counterclockwise, turn it to the left. And there's a little slot here. It sort of looks like you need to poke a screwdriver in there to depress a tab. Don't do that. That's just an alignment slot. So let's reach in there and turn to the left. And I'll note that you're gonna wanna put down a towel or something underneath the pump just to collect the little bits of water and gunk that come out. So just turn to the left. It's gonna resist a little bit. Just be brave. Boom, there it is. Comes out with a click. And there's your pump impeller. And here's the inside of the pump. And you'll find whatever little piece of crap was in there, no problem. So to put it back together, just put it in with a slight angle to the left and turn it right. Make sure everything's engaged, it's solid, and you're good to go.